Hello guys, welcome to Mr. LAN. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet connection. So simply few methods. Okay. Before that, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe and one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, let's go ahead. Simply few methods. Then directly go to that methods. Then first method for the restart. So simply restart it. Then your problem fix it. So one time check it. Go to the start menu. Then power key press. Restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Is still not working, then only then go to the next step. Okay, now come and promote. So open the cmd, then run as administrator, then yes, click here. Now type that command for ipconfig space slash flash dns, enter, click here. Now again the next is command, that command for ipconfig space release, type it. The next step, that next command for ipconfig space slash renew, enter. After that exit. Okay, now come to back, then go to the next step. Still this problem running, then only then go to the next step, that step for the restart your adapter. So go to the settings, then system, click here, then come to below, then troubleshoot, then other troubleshooter, then network and internet run, then taskbar, so that the task, go to the below, find the restart the Wi-Fi adapter, then one time restarted the adapter, click here. After that it is all restarted. So wait here, finish it, then only come to back. Okay, it is finish it. After that close it, come to back, go to the again start menu, then power key press, restart button, click here to restart your system, then your problem fix it. Definitely this method is working now. So then see again this problem running, then only then go to the troubleshoot network. So what time driver update, so open the search bar, then type the device manager, then go to below, find network adapter expand, then right click, then driver, then update driver, click here. Now browse my computer for drive, let me change the location, find, then go to the browse, then go to the come to below, find this PC expand and local disk expand again, then find that Windows folder, double tap to open it, then come to below Win folder, double tap to open it. This is the location. Now you have selected that. Okay, click here. Please change it. Now let me pick, then your driver selected, then next button click here to update your latest version, update driver. Okay, now finish it, then go to the start menu, then power key press, restart button, click here to restart your system. After that your problem fix it. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. If you want more videos or more information, go to that comment section, go to comment. I will 24 hours in the responded in your comment section.